Okay guys, so here's this kit all dried and ironed up now, and this is Teal Tan and Denim Blue. I did so many kits at once that I ended up color coding them all and putting this on, and then I took this off when I put the kits together, and then once I got them dried and ironed, it was pretty easy for me to figure out which kit was which. So you can do multiple kits at a time. And then this kit here is 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches, Master's Touch paper from Hobby Lobby, and it comes in that size, mixed media paper, 8.5 by 5.5. I like this paper. It's gritty. It's thick like a mixed media paper, but it's not thick like watercolor. It's a little thinner than cardstock. And then of course I've got my 2 watercolor sandwich sheets. So I like the mixed media paper though. So if you're in a position to get your hands on some of that Master's Touch, I think they want $7.99 for a 60-page packet of it at Hobby Lobby, and I never buy it full price. I wait for it to go half off, so I get it for $3.99. So it's a great deal, $3.98. Okay, so here's the colors I used for this kit. Tan, love-hate relationship with this dye here. Denim Blue, total love relationship. Teal, total love relationship. With these 2 colors. That's funny. So the Denim Blue now comes out of the bottle. I shake the heck out of these before I mix them with water. I always water them down. You can watch Twilight Forest for a full tutorial. But what I did was I did 80% of this because it's so light and I really wanted this color to show up. I wanted a background of like a tea stain background from this. Didn't get it, but that's okay. Now the Denim Blue, this is much darker, so I only used about 15% of this bottle and then filled up the rest of the way with water. The teal is one of those kind of mystery colors. It's dark and intense, but you can fade it out pretty easy. So I did about 25% of the teal. This is one of my all-time, these 2, both of them are 2 of my favorite RIT dye colors for paper, for eco dyeing. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I don't have a name for this kit yet. It will be below though. I am going to put this kit in my shop. Now, I got that little border I've been getting from the watercolor paper. And then this is the great side with the leaves on it. And I like this kit. I think it's pretty fun. The colors kept their vibrance and brilliance in areas like here and here. And I really love this. I wish I would have gotten more out of that tan. But some pages are great and some pages are eh. This one's the other great page, the watercolor paper, but this has some beautiful, I like this sheet right here. Lots of really nice color. And they mix in the paper, so you notice I didn't put any dark brown or purple, but when you're doing these kits, you will get more color than what you put in. And then here's a bunch of aspen leaves on here, and again the border. So watercolor sandwich sheets. Now these here are the Master's Touch mixed media. I did a lot of baby's breath in this kit, and I love how it comes out. I had hit and miss with the leaf prints in this kit, and I did rush this kit, which I don't recommend doing, but I still like it. There's so many really beautiful textures in here, and I'm gonna use this for collage paper in upcoming videos. So I invite you, if you haven't subscribed yet, to click that subscribe button below and always hit the like button for me. It helps me so much. So yeah, this kit right here I'm definitely going to put in my shop because I want to do some mixed media collage work, and I have some great ideas that I lay in bed at night thinking about, so I'm going to execute them and bring you along with me. Here's some beautiful aspen leaf prints, but very faded. You know, I didn't get good leaf prints on this page. I still pretty much like these pages though. Here's that baby's breath. And then with that tan color, this one, it's spotted. It did not blend well. I got a lot of spotting with that. So it did provide, that's what I love about it. It provided this amazing texture and grunge. But what I hate about it, and that's kind of a strong word, but what I don't like about it is there's whiter, clearer spots in here, and I wanted more of a tea stain, you know, background. So sometimes we just gotta lower our expectations to make stuff work, right? And it's okay. I don't mind doing that every now and then because sometimes my expectations can be a bit unreasonable. Not very often, but once in a while. So now these leaf prints came out. It's kind of a cool graphic page. I like it. And it's got this beautiful grunge texture in the corners. Just different. A lot of spotting from the other colors as well. And then Aspen Leaves really do... they are amazing to eco dye with. They bring forth this bright yellow, bright green, and that is from the leaf itself. And I love the depth and variation of color within these leaves. So I highly recommend using Aspen. I'm not sure what these are. They're from a tree. I get 90% of my leaves from trees. You guys may know what these are. If you know, let me know, please. There are some great moments in this kit, and this is one of them. This here, these are the grapevine leaves, and if you have access to any species of grapes, gently snap the leaf backwards from the vine, and then you won't hurt the vine, and you can get incredible results. They are some of my all-time favorite leaves to use. Really fun. A lot of grunge on this page. There's a lot of good stuff in this kit. It wasn't what I expected, but it's like one of those happy surprises. This is much more grungy than I had anticipated it being, but I love grunge, so it's cool. Here's some more aspen tree leaf prints with all the color. And then I think this is the back side of one of the, yep, both of these are back sides of the grapevine. The vein side really prints intense detail, and the back side is not as intense. So here's more aspen. Quite fun. Some of these I'm definitely, after I scan the originals and preserve that, I want to do some watercolor and pen experimentation on some of these. I am working on gathering up my courage to mess with my originals because I do struggle with that for sure. Here's an aspen leaf, and then I'm not sure, I think, yep, there's a little aspen branch I put in, and then here's another aspen leaf and a bunch of baby's breath. I'd like to fill some of this in with like a little bit of tea stain, you know, just little areas, real subtle. Here's a bunch of aspen. This page is quite bright. It's fun and grungy at the same time. So this is a fun little kit here, teal, tan, and denim blue. I'm trying to think of a name. Some more tree branches. Oh, just fun aspen. Aspen leaves are one of my favorite eco-dyeing leaves. Oh my gosh, here again is another grapevine leaf. Look at the detail you get from those leaves. And then here's this mystical little leaf grunge. Okay, so we're gonna name this kit. This is gonna be Mystical Forest Grunge. That works for me. Okay, so I'm so glad you stopped by. You can really get some amazing results and really have a fun time and create something that you can scan and print and sell or give as gifts. I'm going to be printing a lot of these eco dyes up this year for Christmas. Ooh, I probably just gave it away. Whoops. Oh well, that's all right. I'm gonna make little packets, and I think I'm gonna film it for sure so that you guys can see the little bundles that I'm gonna put together. So I've got to get these kits done and get them all scanned, and then I'll be rocking and rolling on that too. So click like for me and hit subscribe, and I will see you real soon. Have a great day.